Will 3D prototype design sign your NDA agreement? Yes, absolutely 100% we will. If you supply us with that non-disclosure agreement, we will sign it. And if I were you, anyone who won't sign it, I would be a little bit cautious of, because it's really just in your best interest. And from our standpoint, we don't even need to sign an NDA because we keep everything very confidential. Considering the fact that we've been in business doing 3D printing since 1996, we know how crucial it is to keep your information private and safe. We will not supply an NDA though, or a blanket NDA, because honestly, that has no benefit to you. You, as a customer, you should be demanding what your terms are for your confidentiality, for your component. If you do have an NDA you'd like signed, always best to have a conversation with us first though, just to make sure that we can actually help you before we go through the step of getting an NDA signed.